Hello, this is Phineas Reed, and I am going to show you how to put together one of the kits. In each package you get 5 kits. You get the shaker pouch, you get embellishments, and you also get the card front, and you get the card itself, and an envelope. These cards are 5 by 7. So let's start. You are going to pop up the middle of your card front, which you can use as a tag if you choose to. So first thing we are going to do, you need to put adhesive in your shaker pouch. I already have mine pre-made, and so I'm going to just peel this off. So what you are going to do first is set your pouch on the card, and you are going to make sure it's centered, and you are going to glue your pouch with the sequins there. Once that's done, we are going to embellish the front of our card. All the embellishments come with a backing that you can peel off, and voila, it's adhesive too. Now, the next one I'm going to put there is this one, because I'm also using the adhesive in the back. So I'm getting that out, peeling that, and I'm going to hang that right there. Now I used foam adhesive behind both of these embellishments, so that's a choice for you too. I'm just going to peel those. We want to make sure that we don't get the bow in the way of the letters. How about that? All right, there is my bow. And now my other embellishment I'm going to put down here. I like that. All right, and the back of the front of the card. Now look at this. This is awesome. It also has adhesive, so you just peel that part, and you are going to put the whole thing, because this is your card front. There we go. Then we glue very well. And voila, the card is ready. You have a shaker card. The back has a place for you to sign, and you can sign your name there. Then all you have to do is put an envelope and give it to that special person. Okay?